Hello, this is a small table. And what this is one of those tables that you sit down on your lap and you put your computer on that, or your food or your water. Okay? And I'll be teaching people how to make this. Okay? And I also sell this for around $15. Okay? So this will put on Gumtree on my listings, and a web address will be put underneath the video in how you can purchase this or watch the video absolutely free in YouTube, Facebook or social sites, in how to make it yourself, so you can actually make it yourself for free. Okay? Thank you for watching.